see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Good evening. I'm a 10. Yo, I'm not deal with. So, big up on yourself. First and foremost. How I say foremost or foremost? Foremost. This me not vlog, you know, and I vlog me they vlog. Me just say do some foolish with the camera. Anyway, so bombshell. What go on? One of the pan everything blessed. It's supposed to be. So you don't know, say yo, no look on the bone right, so I'm gonna tell you a story about the bone right, so. So
basically we're play fighting and I pushed him and then he fell. That's what tough I am.
I don't believe that. Anyway, we'll tell you now, man. May I go no 15 seconds?
To what? Go grab popcorn?
No, just for guess. Alright, for the can pause the video and comment one thing look funny. And I probably say, oh my god, Ziggy, look on that bone there. But yeah. 15 seconds gone?
No. Why is it so zoom up in your face?
I like when it's camera open, I mean, see me.
No, it's so zoomed up.
You see me?
Okay, so tell them what happened.
So, what means that a football.
Who guessed that before?
Football. So, what means that? Yeah, man, I think.
You do a cartwheel?
My girl.
Hi
You know, yeah.
Oh, every time. To finish your story, tell them what happened now.
See me I played mama. I can kiss you now.
Yo, I was reading my comments on my videos, right? And someone said if I'm pregnant. You guys are rude. First of all, someone said that, and the next person said I have coronavirus. I'm not too wicked. Stop me. You ever heard of black tongue? Be careful you say what you call down on peoples.
Come sleep. So yeah, may I say a ball may I play, isn't me? And what means that?
Oh, your knee right in my back, bro. What?
So what means that? Because of Boomson and
Liad.
who they tell lie? Move right in front of the camera. What me say? Little girl. Hello. Hello. I run down the flank, you see me, and I go to boom sound, I go to boom and control it. And I chop one boy, I go and chop sound the boy, bossy, you know, the dog bossy still, and I drop on the shoulder right, that's what. Alright, my job. Like me get up back, see me and go back for the ball and slap you and keep a touch off you over this. And me think I just want to while the bounce pan shoulder, you see me? Go so bounce and still a play. And I think it start get stale. And that's I have to go to hospital. I go to hospital, the man say, are you bone that you know? I say, yeah man, I say bone man. And I say, you go back in, I say, like, nature go bring you back. And, boy, see there?
But when you came up here, remember you went to the doctor because it was hurting you or something like that?
Yeah, sometime, like,
and
I
then
think,
she
like,
said you're supposed to go do
cold.
She said you were supposed to go do some x-ray, but you were running from that. Because you're like, I don't want to hear no surgery or no one have to pop nothing back in.
Okay, man, watch it.
You're such a punk.
Okay. The bone just cock up right, just a star, like, some serious cock up. But guess what? So just now, as I'm saying, I kind of left work to go deal with some business. I deal with the business and then I go buy 2 pieces of tool. But I don't get all of them, I get one still. And guess I'm reach post office. No.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, postal service.
It's funny because I was gonna go today.
Is it me?
So we basically he went to go look about the PO box.
I'm the.
So we're gonna. I was waiting on something, but we're just gonna go and open it. And then once we open it, we'll put all the information in the description box. So you guys are like kind of half seeing me, but we'll put all the information in the description box, and you guys can. People said they wanted to send stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, and shout out.
Your birthday's coming up.
My birthday's coming up September 25th. 30. I'm turning 30. I'm so old. I believe I'm turning 30. No longer 20s. But yeah, you guys can send me a gift if you want to. I don't really fancy anything fancy. I'm so simple. I'm joking. You tell me. You're the same one who said, I don't know what to cook.
Yo, I know lying on some of the time there is like me I say, yo, me I go cook. Oh, sure. You can't feel so strong, mama.
Yo, I swear some days it's like you just don't know what you feel for.
Alright. So by the time I come in
we literally cook everything, and it's not like we just cook Jamaican food. Like we literally cook everything.
By the time I not even know what to eat, start like. Yeah, I say you would cook some food, but then I say you not even know what to eat.
Nala, you're enough.
I pay cut me off from what I notice him.
So after I brought this little girl to the park, her first time on the swing, after I sanitize it down, everything, this is what she wants to do. Play in the dirt. Seriously, Nyla? Do you want to go in the swing? Do you want to go in there? You put it on you. Dust it off. Yes, good girl. She's so old. 1, 2, 3. It's hot. This is what you want to do? Huh? This is what you want to do? Look at your pants. So I put her in the swing, but this girl's leaning too much forward, so she feels like she's gonna drop. Mind you, I brought my sanitized wipes, everything. Nyla, this is what you want to do? Huh? This is what you want to do? Ew. No. 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 Anyways, come, let's go for a walk. This is what Nyla does every day. Scream, scream, scream. No.
Yo, what I deal with? So I'm a tan. I could have one. Yo, so I hope everybody bless. Channel star. I hope everybody bless. Bless. Is me big up to all of NewbyFam support of them. Big up to all of the show we love. Big up to all of the big up in channel. As usual, you know me, I always give big up. I'm taking me and Nisha do it, you know what? Dang it. And then we just bust a line up by myself. Jabba. What's up? Say, wagwan. No? Wagwan. Yo, so Bumson come in and Nyla, like from come in Nyla just miserable, like and just a cry. I come now, me give her some cereal and she come up back and she a play her tablet and she a try and move the thing and then I move and I'm just miserable star. But anyway, Nisha said I'm gonna cook some food
Some chow mein.
You see me? Chow mein. Chow mein. So,
Shrimp chow mein.
my name go come down here with her still, but then me just say, you know, me just come kick it back with her when you say a little bit. You see me? Even though I'm not go watch some videos. I'm a little bit. Nah, I'm just finishing. I'm probably ending off one of your
vlogs.
vlogs.
Give a quick shout out to some peeps.
Yeah. Well, now, what's Stacy? What? What? Oh, what's Stacy and that's all? Or what's Stacy and me not kill no name, but something like that. What's Stacy and Umbrin All Farm. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Like, but she big you up on the Instagram too, you know. So big up yourself, Stacy, and me not call the first name coming on it, but Stacy and big up yourself.
So yo, I want to send a big were you done? Sorry, were you done?
I say y'all
I'm taking the mic from me. So yo, I want to send a big shout out to Glitzy Glossy 2K20. I want you guys to go over to her page on Instagram. Check out her stuff that she has. She is located in Jamaica. You know, she sells like lip gloss. Yeah.
Yeah. That's popping.
Lip gloss, she has eyelashes. So I want you guys to go over there, show her some love, show her some support black businesses. Her whole I love her whole design with her tubes that she has, the lip glosses, and it's really cute. She even has like some cute keychains that you can attach the lip gloss on, which I think is very unique. So make sure you guys go over there, check out her page, show her some love, and you know, support black businesses. And I also want to send a shout out to DopeChick_TV. She is a YouTuber. She's also in LDR, so if you're looking for another LDR couple to follow, you guys should go and subscribe to her channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever she posts a vlog. She's located in the States and her husband's in Jamaica. He was actually up here a couple months ago, but now he's back home. So like I said, if you want to follow her on her LDR journey, you guys can go and check out her channel. We've talked through social media. She's a very dope chick, literally. She's so cool, very chill. Her vlogs are chill as well. If you like the humble vibe, definitely go check her out, subscribe to her channel. Let her know that the NewbyFam sent you guys over there.
So after Nisha done in a long talking, I'm come process. Hey,
and let them know.
You know, as Nisha is me talk enough, but Nisha talk enough. Take 3. I'm joking, but this is how I'm asking. See, when you're in the position of saying you don't love your life because things aren't going the way you want it to, and things are going the opposite direction of which you expected to, you need to stop and think again. Your life is a beautiful thing. No one deserves to ruin it. No one deserves to control it. And no one deserves to stop your joy. So basically what I'm trying to say, sometimes like you look like you say you want to be happy. You see me? And
He's looking in the wrong place for it. Is that what you're trying to say?
not really, you know, it's like I know in a wrong place. Like you yourself control your happiness. You know that, right? And the people control your happiness, you know. Because if you want somebody, like if somebody says something to you and you want to get vexed right away, you can't just get vexed based on what somebody said to you.
Yeah, you can control your emotions.
Right.
How you
So
react to it.
yeah. So no make nobody crush on the day. Like you can't get up and say, oh, you go have a good day today, and no matter what somebody said to you, no matter how disrespectful they be to you, like you just laugh off your anger because you want a positive day. You know, so you see how you look on life. Not make because of people when they say oh no love life and them things, you see me. And I have to motivate yourself basically, you see me. So that I'm like a chat for today. Big up on yourself. I'm out here. Check out the channel. If you're new here, subscribe here. You're here. Because we only have good, we only have positive, we only have just the energy. I'm done. You see me? So just big up on yourself. We ain't get to do a reasoning Friday, but you don't know, I have a drop in a little reasoning for the thing, see me, you see me? And hopefully this week we can chop up a little reasoning vibe, same speed. Some of the time we not even know what we want to reason upon some of the time, and And I feel help you out, you know, and I have to come in with some topic, make we just jump on it and see if we can all have vibes, because all of we look at vibes. Because Friday not feel boring, say that a Friday alone Friday boring. You see me, because we're there yard on a Friday, you know, say vibes all over, you see me. But make good vibes up this Friday, make we, the whole of we.
Everyone has to come and drink.
Yeah man. So, when you just come in with the vibes, share, you know, like, on the weekly thoughts, or just some things that happen 3 weeks and make we just all have vibes. You know, big people reason, pitney reason, if a big people reason, the kids them go to bed. You know, carry on a little part. Alright, bless up on yourself. Love you know. I'm out. May I have them red salad in my buns?
Tonight's dinner is really simple. We're making some shrimp chow mein. Literally the easiest meal you could ever make. Because you see my dad here, don't think he did it, I did it. Yes. So yo, the vlog is ending right here. Before I go, I just wanted to say something because Ziggy couldn't get his words together. You guys know how we usually do our fitty them, like back to school fitty them, or if we don't do it before school starts, we do one in December, like during the Christmas time. Well, this year we started the year with one, but we didn't get to do a back to school one. So with that being said, you know, because of the whole coronavirus, that's why we didn't get to do it.
Oh yeah.
So anyways, I was talking to Polly and she was telling me she knows someone who's kind of like struggling to get stuff together for her children, and I told her I'm gonna see what I can do to help her out, because you know, like, it's back to school and I feel like no parent should really have to struggle to find like school fee money or money for basic stuff like pencil, books, backpack. Like, I remember growing up, whenever it was back to school, it was like the fun time. Like, that was when it was the most fun, because it's like, okay, we're buying new books, new pencils, everything is brand new, clothes, new backpack and all that stuff. So when I heard that this mom's literally like, she's struggling a little, my first instinct was like, okay, like, I want to help in any way that I can. So I made a post on my Instagram and some people did reach out to me, said they wanted to help. And I told them once I get more information, I will keep them informed. And so far, some people are on board with me. Any money that I collect, I personally want to collect money because I'm going to send it to Polly for her to pay the little girl's school fee, and so she can get her registration package. And then the little boy needs a backpack, and I said whatever money is left over, Polly can either buy up snacks or books for the kids. Yeah, either to give it to other kids or to that family. But I'm gonna also make sure that Polly records everything so that you can see where your money is going to, because I know some people, when they're donating, they want to see where their money is going to, and nothing is wrong with that. So keep in mind that I will have, hopefully Polly can do it, because the last time we did our give back, like when it was the whole pandemic and we're giving back to the elders, some of the elders didn't want to be on camera. So I think with this time, Polly's probably just gonna record her buying the stuff, because you have some people, they just don't want to be on camera, and I don't want to force them to be on camera. So it's just like, if you're helping someone, you're just helping them, you know what I mean? I don't want to force them like you have to go on camera because people donated. So just keep that in mind, that they might not want to be on camera, but I will get Polly to record everything and send me the video and insert in the vlog so you can see where your money goes. If you guys are interested in helping out, you guys can send me an email at nishasams@gmail.com, or you can message me on Instagram. Send me a DM. That's what some people have been doing. The easy way for you to send money to me would be, because I'm not gonna do a whole GoFundMe because they take our percentages, it's too much. I'm gonna just do PayPal, or if you're in Canada, you can just do e-transfer, just because it's easier, and then I will send Polly everything in one. And yeah, that's basically it. I just want to share that with you guys before we logged off. Shout out to all our new subscribers. I see you guys. We touched 51,500 followers. Big up your guys' self. Thank you for joining the newbie family. And shout out to the OGs who's been rocking with us from the very beginning. Big up your guys' self. You know, it's nothing but love on this channel. Positivity, as Ziggy said earlier. So big up your guys' self. Hope you guys are all safe. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Watch this one now.
Okay.
Guys, I officially weaned Nyla off the breast, but you guys will hear about that story in my next vlog. She is just so miserable. But anyways, we are outie as per usual. One love. Say bye. Say ta-ta.